What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can read the title below my head, yes, I got the last missing piece to the Integra for the exterior. There's nothing else I want to do to this car, well, besides the carbon fiber bonnet. Aside from that, I finally got my, oh man. Let me just unbox them, install them. Oh, Ronnie, if you're watching this, bro, I appreciate you. So, bro, I appreciate you. Thank you for blessing your boy. Let me just show you what's going on, player. But that banner, though. All right. Ooh. You know what's in this box? Do you know what's in this box?
No.
I'm gonna show you, player. Oh, you ready to see it? Hold on. Oh. All right. Here we have. Oh boy. Hey, you see this chain? I stole it. Hey, hold on. Ooh. You ready to see what's in this packaging right here? Like I said, this would not be possible if it wasn't for the homie Ron, man. The homie Ron came clutch with, oh. What'd that look like? What'd that look like, Apple?
Back.
A back of what?
Headlight.
Oh, what's that? What's that? Ooh. Do you guys see this light? This is a UKDM, EDM, whatever. I've been wanting this tail light for, what? Sorry, cry. Man, so this is, of course, the OEM light. Well, they're both OEM, but this is what came with the Integra. This is what's about to go on the Integra. You see the difference?
Mm-hmm.
What's the difference?
One got two, one got one.
You know what I mean? That's like me and women. Some people got one girl, I got multiple. It is what it is. I'm lying. So if you're single, holla at me. Please. She needs an auntie. Yeah. Bro, just look at how good that looks. Oh my God. Oh my, bruh. On my way to Freddie Bunbread's house. That's it, really. Show him the new lights. So I'm almost by Fred's house, right? And I just remembered when I put on my license plate tag frame with the new plate, I forgot to tighten the bolt. So possibly, I think my license plate flew off the car. I'm so scared. Why am I so irresponsible? Oh my God, bro. I just pulled up to Fred's house. Bro, I'm so scared to look, dog. We're gonna look together. Is my tag still there? Oh, it's still there. It's still there. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Whew. Oh, it's on there too. It's not tight on there, but God damn it, it's on there. We're over here at Drift King Fred's house. I had to show him the tail. Whoa. Show him the tail lights. Damn, my bad, Fred. I'm working on it. My fishing is going away slowly but surely. But man, God, woo! What you think, dog?
That shit icy.
Quavo, where you at?
Ice, yeah.
This is what your beloved Fred be doing, dog. This is all Fred.
This should be lit, man.
Yo, these graphics look good.
Yeah, bro. The fucking 325 rip are way too much, bro.
Look at this. If you just, bruh, can you imagine somebody robbing you, right? And then just walk in and they just see this. Bruh, you good, bruh?
No, bitch, you ain't gotta tell me.
Hey, Fred, beast, dog. That RX-7 look nice, dog. What game is this? The people gonna ask what game this is. What is it? Car Drifter?
Car X Drifter.
I'm finna go buy this on that. I'm finna go play my Xbox.
It's on PC. It's on PlayStation too. What's that boy about to crash, man?
The 27.
What's that boy
What's going on
about
the LSW?
Let me reset you, bro. Hold on. There.
Hold on, bruh. Bruh, how you play this, dog?
Oh my god. Bro, what you doing?
What is this, bruh? Hey, I can't do this, dog. Fred got this big ass 600mm steering wheel, bro. I can't turn this bitch.
Bro, what you doing, bro?
I really can't drive, bitch. I'm a steering wheel.
You need to swing that, bro.
Bruh, I don't know what I'm. Oh, it's right hand drive. I can't play right hand drive. Hold on, let me just.
That bitch went from first to fourth. Oh my god, son. And that's how he crashed the RSX, y'all, boys.
That's how I'm driving the RSX, for real, bro.
Super facts.
Dog, this RX-7 nice, bro.
Alright, I counter. Oh,
I can't do this, Fred, bro. What's the first?
Put it first.
It looks better. It looks good. It got some good graphics. Bro, I can't go drifting in real life.
You can't, bro. You can't, bro. You'll be dead right now, bro.
I'll be dead, man.
Super facts.
Alright, give it up, bro.
Of course, I leave Fred's house when it's raining outside.
Your intake out.
I put it up before I left the house. Damn, dog, this gonna suck.
Might as well wait it out, bitch.
You sleep, I gotta get Popeyes. My mom counting on me right now, bruh. I'm home. And I secured the Popeyes bag.
Checking in. We checking in right now. Mayday. Mayday. Checking in.
Y'all want some golden grams? Golden grams smack. So that's it. That is it. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, right? Check this out. Hit the like button, right? Hold on, I'm not done yet. If you did not enjoy the video, dislike the video. I'm here to give you options. And as always, now I don't give a fuck. I want you to know that I love you and I care for you and I want the best for you. Be nice to yourself, alright? Self-care first. Now I'm finna devour these golden grams. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, weekend, clap some cheeks for your boy.
It's been a minute.
Huge shout out to the homie Ron for blessing me with these tail lights. I have an Instagram link on the screen so you guys can follow him in his DC2 builds that he have. He had 2 of them Johns. I think he sold the other one, I don't know, but he got 2 dope ass Integras. Check him out. Be sure to cop some merch. I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.